Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the audio settings in Mewgenics. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Press this button on the home screen or press escape and settings while in game. Then go into audio settings. Here you can adjust the master volume, music volume, sound effects volume, meow volume and meow volume house. Those go from 0 to 100. Master volume dictates the overall volume level for the whole list. Music volume dictates the volume of the music. Sound effects, of course, meow and meow volume house are self-explanatory. Set those values to whatever you prefer. I will actually turn them all down. Of course, even if this is at 100, if everything else is at 0, it will be silent. Once you make a choice, simply hit back. If you paused, press resume. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.